In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a lead pre-qualification system in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a simple, effective way to screen leads before they hit your calendar or pipeline, saving you time and improving close rates. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account. From the main dashboard, head to Sites, then Open Forms and click Builder. The Forms Builder is your workspace for creating reusable forms you can embed across funnels and websites. It centralizes submissions, so you can track responses and trigger automations later. Click Add Form, then click Create to start a new form. Give your form a clear, searchable name. Rename it to Pre-Qualification Form. Consistent naming makes it easier to find and connect later, especially as your account grows. Now, build the core question. From the Fields panel, click and drag a multi-dropdown onto the canvas. A multi-dropdown lets prospects choose one or multiple options from a preset list, which is perfect for segmenting by budget, service interest, or timeline. Rename the field to Budget, so it's clear in both the form and your submission records. Add the options your team needs for quick filtering: $500, $1,000, $1,000, $5,000, and $5,000 plus. Keep your ranges mutually exclusive and easy to understand. If you only want one choice, consider switching to a single select dropdown. Otherwise, leave it multi for flexibility. When you're happy with it, click Save, then go back to exit the form editor. Next, go to Funnels. Open an existing funnel, like an online store, or create a new one if you prefer. You're about to add a step that captures and qualifies leads. A lead pre-qualification system is simply a structured way to ask key questions up front, like budget, so you can prioritize outreach and route leads correctly. Add a new step and name it Application Page to make its purpose obvious. Click Create Funnel Step, then choose Create from Blank to start fresh in the Page Builder. Inside the Page Builder, click Insert Element, search for Form, then drag the form element onto the page where you want it to appear. Click the form placeholder, and in the settings, select your pre-qualification form from the list. Take a moment to check spacing and mobile responsiveness so it looks clean and loads fast. Click Save to store your changes, then click Publish to make the page live. That's it, your pre-qualification system is ready. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.